Who's man? Oh damn! Who the fuck is that? Oh, hold the mans. Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here chilling with my Z, looking wet as fuck. So there's this video going on Instagram going around. I might be late. I'm kind of late for this shit, but about some hack you do with your ignition. I want to give it a try because it seems kind of fun. I don't recommend people doing this to your car, but fuck it. Doesn't seem bad, but the main point of it is that it backfires when you switch off and on your accessory fucking switch.
Key off and then key back on.
So I don't know how to do it, but Jesus over here helping me how to do it. He might fuck me up. Damn, you don't want me to camera?
Okay, sir. So you,
for sure?
Yeah, I'm recording. It's on.
Alright.
Alright, sir.
Alright,
so
so
first thing, you start it. You press clutch, turn the key. Alright, sir. Make sure you're in your neutral. Jiggle the shit out of it. Alright. And then rev it.
To what? The rev it and what?
Rev it to like 4 or 5, and then turn the key off. It's like one turn back, and then turn it back on.
So go like turn back on?
Yeah.
Well, I'm at like 5?
Yeah. So rev it. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Do it again, bro. We gotta be faster. Are you sure you're doing it right, sir?
Hold on, let me do it again. I don't know, so you rev it to like 4?
I'll go to 5.
Oh, 4? And then switch it back on?
Switch it off and then turn back on.
Okay.
I don't know why it's not doing it no more. It shot a big ass flame, but I didn't catch it on camera.
Bro?
Yeah. You want to rev it higher?
I'll rev it higher. Alright, so there's some people that are out here hustling on Instagram. They sell this shit, but it's not really, they sell it as a tune, but it's not really a tune. You literally just flip your the car's on, right? You gotta have it on neutral, and then you flip this one back and then flip it back on. Make sure that shit is around 4 or between here. Fuck! I'm high as fuck. So yeah, guys, that's like the main point of it. Did it work, fool?
What?
It worked once, but this fool didn't catch it. I shot like a little baby flame. But if you guys wanted to try it out on your car, I don't recommend it, but you could try it out. People sell it, like I said, people sell it on Instagram for like a tune, but it's not really a tune. I'm just making this video for you guys because, like I said, people sell it and I don't want you guys to waste money on this dumbass tune. Damn, Z is looking so good. Leave a like if you guys like it. So there's something changing here. If you guys have any guesses, leave it in the comments down below. So I'm gonna start working on the interior because I pretty much have like everything for a tune already. I'm literally just waiting on parts. Should be here by mid-August, everything, and the car should be running by October, hopefully, if the plans go right. But for now, I'm just gonna start working on my interior. So yeah.
I am.
Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me.
Oh fuck! Nigga, hop out.
And I'm down for you.
Bad bitches in kissing in a way, kissing in a way, kissing in a way. Black card.
Rewind.
The same code.
Oh fuck! Keep going. Nigga, what? Keep going. Nigga, you tried too hard, bro. I tried. Guys are gonna be like, what the fuck? This kid doing.
Music, bro.
Go, blood.
Going off and they don't wanna stop. And when you get the top, and I see that you've been learning. And when you get the
Come on.
spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump that confirmed it. Track money, Benny. I buy you
What the
champagne,
fuck?
but you got some Henny.
Car, stop!
Is this shit get challenge?
Wasn't even a challenge. Dead. Fuck this shit.
Are you riding?
Ooh. That's your tire, bro.
Smell that shit?
Smells like tire. What the fuck?
Smell like fucking tires. What the hell it smells like this? Yeah, I need to raise up my car.
Okay. Oh fuck! Okay. Oh, get gas!
Go to my house.
Alright, we'll drink at your house.
You want to drink at my house?
Yeah, outside chilling. Cause I know you got beer.
Yeah, I'll meet you at my house right now.
Alright then. Suck a dick for me, please.
What?
Suck a dick for me.
I can't hear you. You gotta be louder, bro.
Suck a dick!
How gay do you sound? Alright, I'll see you at my house right now. I'm on my way home.
Alright then.
Alright, bye.
Alright, later.
If you guys didn't know, this nigga gay as fuck.
I've been discovered. So if you guys enjoyed my dancing skills, leave a like, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't buy that fucking tune on Instagram that's been going around. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video.